Hello folks, you already know that fishfindermounts.com makes probably the finest fish finder mount in the world, where you can put your fish finder on a battery and a strap and a transducer all in one little package. Today what we're going to do is look at something a little bit different, and that's for those folks that have pontoon boats. There's all kind of pontoon boats on the market today. I happen to be fortunate enough to have a Colorado XTS model by Classic Accessories, and this particular pontoon is equipped to mount a trolling motor. Thus it has its own power supply if you want to use that. Now what I want to mention about today's video is we are not going to use the power supply. Today we're going to mount this fish finder and the 5 amp hour battery right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to simulate that we have oar clearance issues, because a lot of pontoons are not this big, and when you get to rowing you'll bang into your fish finder. And so we're going to pretend that this one has oar clearance issues just to show you how well this works. You can use any fish finder, any brand, any type of fish finder you like on this mounting system. And the key to this entire project is this plate right here called a UP2 plate. Alright, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about in just a second. Okay, the concept here is to put this plate right here. And then we're going to hang that battery box right here. But we're not going to use the battery for this. We're going to pretend that this is a pontoon boat that doesn't come with a battery. To start by hanging the battery box, and then the UP2 plate, and then the transducer on this side. Once you have all the components, transducer, UP2 plate, battery box on the strap, you can loosen the turnbuckle a little bit and maneuver things around and position them the way you want to. Cable. Now you may be asking, why did I hang the battery box on this side? Could I put the battery box on this side? Yes. Could I put the transducer on this side? Yes. Furthermore, I could have put the whole thing on the other side. You get to rig up your system the way it works for you. Now let's attach our fish finder, and then we'll cable up. The whole idea of the whole swivel plate thing, so you can adjust it to your viewing angle that you prefer, absolutely wonderful. And once I tighten this turnbuckle, like so, this is not going to fall off. And if you have any doubts about it, just think about it. This is on a slot down here, right? And if it slides down, it's going to run into the turnbuckle. So it's not going to go anywhere. Here's the power cable. Now let's tidy up this transducer cable by attaching it to the battery box in these two little slots right here. Looking good. And do a little dry dock test here. Okay, loosen. Voila. Alright, you ready to take this out to the lake and see if we can find something? Alright, me too. Let's go. Here we are at a really big lake. And we're going to be testing out the UP2 unit today and see how well it does on a much larger lake than what I normally fish. And I'm using the split screen sonar and down imaging because it allows you to see well, both different views, and each has its advantages. This works really well, nicely adjustable to any viewing angle, and by using the 5 amp hour battery power source, I am not running down my trolling motor unnecessarily. Okay, I'm right up here along the riprap, and as you can see, there's some brush down there, there's a bunch of rocks down there, and there in fact are some fish swimming along in, well, about 10 feet of water, which is about where they like to hang out. Well, we got something. That's a decent fish, quite healthy. A little square bill. Okay, not bad. A very healthy fish. Okay, good deal. Remember I talked about one of the advantages of the UP2 plate mount being the clearance between the oars and your fish finder? Well, if that fish finder was up on its battery box, it would be about 4 or so inches taller. And on this particular pontoon, that would not necessarily cause any oar clearance issues. But on other models of pontoons, it definitely would. As you can see, we have no interference issues with oars whatsoever. That's a nifty system. Here we go. We just hit the channel and look at this. Look, 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 look. So let's give it a try. Bingo. Oh! Well now, got some serious contention here. Ooh. Oh, it's a big white bass. No wonder. These things strike like thunder. Yep. That's what's out here chasing the shad. Big old white bass. Very nice. That's a beautiful fish. Thanks for the vicious fight. Well, overall, the Helix 5 mounted on the UP2 plate from fishfindermounts.com worked like a champion. Very nice unit, very nice setup. And again, if you need a solution where you mount your fish finder, your transducer, including the power necessary to run your unit, then visit their website and Wade will take care of you in spectacular fashion. Thanks again, and God bless. Bye-bye.